Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to activate my PayPal account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or go to the Google Play Store or App Store and download the actual application. After that guys, what you need to do of course, you'll have a screen like this in front of you. So when you activate your account, but how can you activate it? Well, you just need to go and click on sign up, of course, when you go and open the PayPal official page and choose whether you're setting up a business or personal account. After that, you just need to go and follow the instructions to enter your personal and financial information. Link a bank account, debit card or credit card to your account, then verify your identity and confirm your email address, and all of those steps will be shown to you. And then you can see all of these different options that you have in front of you. So then you'll have your home screen, you'll have the screen where you can go and send money, you'll have your wallet, activity, and the help option. Of course, you can see your PayPal balance here, send money, of course, as I said, request money. You can go and click add card or bank here, create an invoice, just click on more. You have a lot of options then you can do when you go and create and verify your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, as I said, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye guys.